It's not this house. If you go up this really narrow street, become narrower, narrower, really narrow. My car got stuck going up here. I had to go in reverse just to get back down. See? It's very narrow. It's this house. Look a lot here. Okay, from the door, we're going in. Sumimasen. Arigato. So you have the first tatami room overlooking this, and then you have the second tatami room. It's very cool in here. It's very nice. This door goes into the toilet underneath the stairs. Then you have the kitchen area. No stove. No air vent. Has an air conditioner, an old one. And you have a second bathroom. This must be the bathtub, shower area, sink. Arigato. This goes outside. Okay. And it goes upstairs. The staircase is very steep. But I love the wood. Let's go into the first room. It's an old air conditioner. This is the second room. A much better view of the area. Okay. And you head down. So the decor is good. Has a very small backyard area. So from this house, let's take a walk just around the corner. This road becomes so narrow, there's no way you can get a car in here. So you have an empty lot here, right next to the house. You go up. This small block, there's another house for sale right above it. See, this house is also for sale. It's also abandoned. Go down this narrow pathway. That's the house. There it is. And in between this house there's an empty lot. See, it has a gate. This house. See this lot. It's a beautiful house, but I don't think it's worth it. There's no parking space. And this whole area, especially this particular section, these houses are going to be demolished. Bus stop. Old school traditional Japanese bus stop.